Hey everyone, is your T-Mobile Revel 7 5G screen black or not turning on? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Fix 1. Force restart the phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the device vibrates and the screen turns off. Step 2. Release the button when the device restarts and you see the T-Mobile logo. Fix 2. Charge the device. Step 1. Connect your Revel 7 5G to its original charger and plug it into a power outlet. Step 2. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Step 3. After charging, attempt to turn on the device by pressing the power button. Fix 3. Check for physical damage. Inspect your device for any signs of physical damage such as cracks or dents. If you suspect hardware damage, contact T-Mobile support or visit an authorized service center for assistance. Fix 4. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power options menu appear. Step 2. Press and hold the power off option until a prompt to enter safe mode appears. Step 3. Tap OK to confirm and boot into safe mode. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.